it safe. We have a list of people that we would take. A bullet for them, a bullet for you, a bullet for everybody in this room.
Tornado emergency for City of Carrollton. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for Central Carroll County until 9 p.m. At 8:36 p.m., a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed near Carrollton, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Tornado emergency for the City of Carrollton. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, weather spotters confirm tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Carrollton around 8:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Gant and Sanders. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
I've been thinking too much.